Alright, I just received a brand new set of these Auxito LED 1157 switchback turn signal bulbs for my vehicle. In this video, I'll be unboxing them, we'll be taking a look at them, I'll do a compare and contrast between the halogen and the LED, and I will let you know what I think of them so far. So stay tuned. Good morning, folks. This is Kyle again. We got a new product to review and test out today. A company called Auxito reached out to me and wanted to let me try out some of their LED lights. In doing so, they asked what kind of lights I would like to try or bulbs. And just so happens, about a week ago, my turn signal burned out on my Honda Civic. So I said, just send me some bulbs for my Civic. Alright, I'm guessing this is going to be the bulbs. And they also sent what's called a load resistor. That way the turn signals don't blink fast. So we'll give these a try and let you guys know how well these work out. LED lights, let's see here. Here's the company, Auxito. Here's what they look like. They're going to be the front turn signals of my Civic. These must be the load resistors, so they don't blink fast. Yeah, here they are. And here are the little crimps that are going to make it easy to disconnect them. That way you have to actually cut your wires. You just crimp these around the wires. So far, I like the packaging. I like that everything's here, the resistor and the little crimps. Bulbs are here. Okay. Everything's packaged nice and neatly. Let's see if you guys can see this real well. Here's what the bulbs actually look like, which is nice. The black part here, I'm guessing is metal, like an aluminum for a heat. I'm sorry, the metal here is like for a heat sink. Looks like we're going to have, it's a switchback bulb, so in the parking light mode it'll be white. The turn signal mode will be orange. So it's actually three-sided, 1, 2, and 3. And then also has them up here on the top as well. So give me a few minutes to get this installed in the car and I'll show you what it looks like. I'll do a before and after. Alright, now we're out here to my Civic and we're going to be replacing the turn signal and the parking light. This is before, parking light, turn signal. Alright, so I just installed these. The bulb number is 1157 switchback LEDs from Auxito, and so far I love them. Let me show you here what it looks like. Here is the parking light. There is the turn signal for you to see. There's no hyper flash. If you guys have any questions about wiring up the load resistor, doing the installation, any questions about the bulb, or what size bulb you may need for your vehicle, I'll be more than glad to help you out. Just leave a comment in the description below. I try to respond within 24 hours to all my comments. But so far, I'm loving it. They look great. I also have LED headlights, high beams, and also fog lights. But I mean, hopefully you guys can see this on camera, but I think it just complements it well. Everything goes together great. So, Auxito, thank you for sending me your product. I give it a thumbs up. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, I'll be more than glad to answer them for you. The installation probably took me 10 minutes aside. I was able just to pull back the fender liner. I was able to get to the wiring. I unplugged the actual bulb out of the socket. I unplugged the socket from the wiring harness. Just made it easier when I was doing the load resistors. But like I said, ease was 10 minutes aside. If you have any questions, I'll be more than glad to try to help you guys out. I'm also showing there what the halogen bulbs looked like before, so you can get an idea before and after. Trying to think what else I have. Oh, I also have LED license plate lights. And I think next I'd like to do, you really can't see the LED license plate lights that great, but I think next I'd like to do the LED reverse lights. But all in all, it's coming along. Thanks a lot, Auxito. And like I said, you guys have a great product. Thanks for watching my channel, guys.